Here is the before of my model, and what we're going to do is take the sides and back down nice and tight. We're going to leave the top a little bit longer. We're going to cut some texture into the top to give my model some versatility when he goes to style and dress his hair. So I've got the clippers in my hand, and I'm just taking the clippers and working them in an upward motion. And as I get to the top of the sides of his head, I'm scooping in an outward motion. What this does is it softens the line that I'm creating, which will make it easier to blend the upper sides with the top. Alright, so now I'm working the hair in the back of the head, doing the exact same thing, working in an upward motion. As I get to the top, I'm scooping out to soften that line, and I'm going to do this all the way around the head, just removing all of the weight and the bulk to take the hair down nice and tight before we blend in the sides with the top. Now that I've completed removing all of the bulk with the clippers, I'm going to take my fingers and scissors and blend in the upper half of the sides with the top. So I'm just working my way around the head, and I'm working from the right side to the center back, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the left side to the center back. So now I've got my trimmers, and I'm just going to work my way around the entire outline, cleaning up the outline. So as you can see here, I'm cleaning up the hairline on the front by the face on the right side, then the sideburn, then I'm going to do around the ear, and then I will get the neckline, and I will do the exact same thing on the left side. Now that I have completed utilizing the trimmers all the way around the outline, I've now got my clippers, and I'm doing the exact same thing as I did with the trimmers, but it helps soften up the little bit of line that the trimmers can create. So I've got my clippers in my hand, I'm working my way all the way around the outline once again, but as you will notice, it will just soften up that outline just a little bit more. I'm just going to bust out some scissor-over-comb. I'm going to work my way from the right side all the way around to the left side, just double checking that the hair blends perfectly from where the clippers left off to where I utilize my fingers up into the top of the haircut. So it is now time to cut the top of my model's hair. And as you can see, I'm taking very little off. I really like the length that my model had on top because I felt like we could really utilize that length by creating some texture so that you can style with some versatility. So we're coming down the home stretch of this haircut, just cutting off the top, and then we will dress the hair and wrap it all up. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this haircut. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And thank you so very much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.